Hello everyone, welcome to NV World. So today we are going to learn how to do voice typing. So for voice typing, first you have to go Google and here type Google Docs. Search it and click on the first option. Here go to Personal. And click on the blank page. Now you will get a window like this, which is similar as MS Word. Here for voice typing, go to Tools and you will get an option Voice Typing. Click on that and here you will get an icon like this. So many languages are also available, so that you can type on many languages whatever you want. For voice typing, click on this icon, it will turn red and then you can speak like this. For better results, use your earphone and speak loudly and correctly. So if you want to stop it, just you have to click it again. And now you can do some changes if you want. Any edit if you want, you can do it. Here many options are available, like you want to make it bold or anything else, you can do it here. So it is similar as your MS Word. Let me show you another language. I am going to select Hindi and show you how you can do Hindi typing. हिंदी में टाइप करने के लिए हिंदी लैंग्वेज सेलेक्ट करें। तो देखिए कितनी आसानी से आप सिर्फ बोलकर टाइप कर सकते हैं। Now for downloading it, go to File and click on Download. You can select any kind of format like PDF, Word, whatever you want. So I am saving in Word format. So here you can see it is available now and you can do any kind of changes you want. So after creating this, you can save it easily. Thank you for watching NV World. Thank you.